Gotta do the elbow check because every time I record a video my elbows are dry. Oh. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. As you can probably tell, I haven't uploaded on my channel in quite a while. Maybe you didn't miss me enough to notice that I was gone, but I was gone and now I'm back. Mainly because I got something called acanthamoeba in my eye, so my eye was very red and I didn't want to look like a serial killer, and my eye was very sensitive to light, so I took a break. I'm still treating my eye, but I can record and stuff now, so it's fine. So the things that I'll be using in today's video is this hairdryer. I'll be obviously using a mirror, clips as well, styling foam mousse, got to be glued hair freezing spray, and probably these glasses because I'm bloody blind at the moment. This is the wig that I will be using. I'm not really going to give a hair review because the bitches didn't give it to free, and I can't believe I'm about to film like this. Okay, so first comes first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the wig back and I'm just going to wipe off all of the makeup from this area, just so that the frontal, it stays down properly. Like, it's not like trying to hang on to grease or dirt or, you know, some MAC, some Laura Mercier. Like, it's going to be clean. Okay, so now I've removed all of the makeup from my forehead. It's basically ready for me to start applying the glue. So to start off, I've got this squat. This is so annoying. Okay. Squat, you know what I'm trying to say. Got to be ultra glued, invisible styling gel. I used to actually use the yellow one, so this isn't actually mine. I've started to use my flatmates, but I'm gonna order mine today because I've just been procrastinating because I was just like, does it really work though? But like, it works. Like, so I'm just gonna pour some on my hand. Okay, so what I'm going to start off by doing is applying it on my forehead where I want it to glue down. So I'm just doing a thin layer at the moment. Okay, so now I'm going to push all of my edges back using the glue. Okay, and then we're going to dry the glue. Okay, so that is now dry. So I'm going to go in with the same amount and do the second layer. Okay, so when it is tacky like this, that's when you're going to go ahead and lay that baby down. I'm going to leave that on for about 5 minutes and then come back.